grocery stores, especially when I have the new member in the family who is the baby. So number one, I go for avocado, organic avocado, because I try to feed my baby organic avocado so much. And for our avocado, it's not always organic, yeah, but when I find it, I'll show it to you. Then eggs also on the menu. I myself, I use eggs a lot. I love eating eggs like a snack, breakfast, salads with yuca or cassava, boiled cassava. I love eggs, but when I'm going for eggs, I look out for different things in eggs. I've done my research. I listen to different people giving their views about things, but I always have butter, which is organic, and I normally choose the valley type. Yes. For the protein type, I went for salmon. Normally I buy tilapia, fillet. Yeah, but this time I went for salmon. As you can see, it is wild caught. Always pay attention to the word salmon, wild caught. Green onions, bell pepper. I use mixing it in other ingredients, cucumber. The spicy for fish, as you can see, this plant is very good for fish. Cucumber, I use it for salads. Still green pepper, cauliflower. Remember, I did a video showing you how I do my baby's food using cauliflower and other vegetables like spinach, ginger, organic. Small pepper. Just pepper is actually really pepper, trust me when you use it. And then cucumber, spinach. Yes, I also use it for baby vegetables. And when it comes to tomatoes, I use plum tomatoes. Yes, according to my own research and my understanding, I can even put them in the house and not use them. Broccoli, we love it so much in this house. And here now, this is the potatoes I was talking about, the red small potatoes, which we call Irish potato or yes, Irish potato or umonde, but here they don't even specify, they say potatoes. So it is you to know whether you're going for this traditional or sweet potatoes or Irish, but this is the small ones that I'm talking about. Just remember my video where I showed you when I was doing the potatoes, the small one was peanut butter or skinner kale, then mixed vegetables, especially I use them for rice, then cilantro for spices, and then mushroom. That you can use this into pasta, creamy pasta or anything, or you can just cook them and make some soup out of mushroom. Green beans for baby. And now avocado that I told you that is not organic, but mostly we choose it, even though it's not organic, but we choose when it's from Mexico. Yes, those that know, Mexican things, they are literally like African things. So that's all for the shopping. And just remind you, if you want to clean your vegetables, always use baking soda and vinegar, especially for non-organic vegetables. That is what you should use. That is what you should use. Do your research. Don't just listen and say she said this. Do your research about it. If you think it's appropriate, if you find it good. If you don't like it, still don't. It's okay. It is okay not to like something. It is very okay. Yes, so you've seen my shopping. It is green. I'm green. If I don't want to eat meat, I don't buy it in the house. I try to avoid that. And yes, my kids